A relationship is a journey, and along that journey you have hurdles to get through and this, that, whatever. So if those two people can get through it, that's cool.
Honestly, I really just love my Nigerian guys because I can relate to them when it comes to food, jokes, even like pidgin English, like speaking pidgin English.
I just prefer a much more relatable culture, and I guess that's why I'm sticking to Nigerians.
All my friends are okay with it, my parents are okay with it, his family's okay with it.
Is he trying to understand it?
He just will never understand, and that's okay, right?
You know, people catch the Holy Ghost, they're in the spirit, they're yelling and screaming, and he's just looking like, what are you doing? Like,
Is it a fact that all black women are crazy?
No.
It's not a fact. That's
Most definitely not.
right?
I find myself out doing shit that they do. I'm like, hey, well, I'm good. How are you? Like, come on now.
whatever makes your parents happy doesn't necessarily make you happy.
It's good to be understanding because I can understand that. But the beauty about being understanding is not constricted by what race you're from, where you're from.
For some reason, Igbo guys in particular, but I've been trying to venture into Yoruba these days. I mean, who knows? We'll see where it goes. We'll see.